Very good evening, friends. A warm welcome to day 2 of our day 1 evening session of our operational management. So in the morning session, we were started discussing how to make a selection of design, and we were also started discussing about replacement decision, capacity planning. So now here in the afternoon session, we're gonna start discuss with costing related problem. See, since your costing classes are almost over, so now it will be easy for you to solve. So hope you have also started revising the sums. So see, this is one of the area where you can easily score mark because your costing concept. So I am not discussing entire costing sum. One of the most relevant sums only we are doing in the class. Some of the EOQ stock order level problem at all, group 1 pure problem that you can able to solve yourself. So we are starting to discuss with question number 26. Very fast we will move it because already we have finished our costing session. So hope all of you are ready. The items is produced in a plant having a fixed cost of 6,000 per month. Having a fixed cost of 6,000 per month. And there is a variable cost per unit of 2 per unit and selling price is 5. They were asking what is the break-even point? That is the first question they were asking. So hope all of you remember the costing equations. But anyway, I will help you. So question number 26 we are starting. What is the case? First they were asking break-even point. See how we can able to do break-even point. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio, or if it is unit. Here it is volume. So we can able to do in per unit also. So what will be that case? What is a PV ratio? Our selling price is 7, variable cost is 2. So 5 will be your contribution. 7 into 100. Tell me what will be your PV ratio? 5 divided by 7 into 100, which will be so if it is in units now, units we can able to do very simple. The fixed cost is 6,000 divided by 5. If unit now, very easily we can able to do. Both we can able to do. We will do for both. See, for your online pattern of question, as I told, next class we will share you the online compilation separately. Here we get 1,200. This we can get it in value also, which will be what? 6,000 divided by 71.43 into 100, which will be 8,400, or you can make it rupees. So if your online pattern, they were giving in units, you can select the units. If they are telling in rupees, you can select the rupees. We were discussed both for your benefit. You can select whatever it is. They won't confuse with the both. Next, if 1,000 units are produced, what would be the profit? Very easy. So A part we have already completed. See what will be the contribution? Contribution is 1,000 into the profit will not be there. There will be a loss. The loss of what? 1,000. There will be a loss. Loss of what? 1,000. Going further, how many units should be produced to earn a profit of 4,000? This is very important. This will also test for your group 1, group 2 costing also. That is desired units equal to F plus P by contribution per unit. So what is the F? Fixed cost is 6,000 plus you want a profit of 4,000 divided by contribution is what? 5 rupees. We will get 2,000 units. Copy fast. See, this question and all will come for 6 mark and all. Very easily we can score. Come on fast. So very easy question. Costing related question, you can able to get it very fast. So these two questions are two questions are Paka questions of your group 1 that you can do it as a homework. And such kind of questions are coming very rare. EBQ questions are coming for your exam regularly. So I have brought that question directly from your study material. What is the question number, my dears? 29. The question number 29. So what is the question? Kobo Bearing Limited is committed to supply 24,000 bearing per annum to a steadily basis. It is estimated that 10 paisa is the inventory holding cost per annum. Setup cost is 324. They were asking what is the optimum run size for bearing the machine. Here, this concept is called economic batch quantity root of 2 into what is the annual requirement? 24,000 into setup cost per batch, which is 324, divided by carrying cost per unit per annum. See, they were given per month. We want per annum. They were given per month. We want per annum. So what we have to do? Into 12. So if you make that root, what will be the answer? So the answer will be 2 into 24,000 into 324 divided by 1.2. 1296. Some of the friends have already started giving the answer. So what is the answer? Square root of 3,600 units. Square root of 3,600. That means the final answer will be 3,600 units. Economic batch quantity will be 3,600 units. What is next? What should be the interval between two consecutive runs? See, this type of question, lot of we have did in our group 1. So what is the interval? Listen very well. See, we have total requirement to 24,000. For each, we are making 3,600. So total we have 24,000 divided by 3,600. That means 6.666 setup. So what will be the interval? Interval is a time gap. So interval means, let's assume 360 days. Divided by 6.667. 54 days. Very good. Some friends, Bala, Risika, and all, Chico and all, very fast. They are doing very extremely well. So you got interval will be what? 54 days. Your interval will be what? 54 days. Now what is the next? Minimum inventory holding cost. That same cost. Minimum inventory holding cost. Half of optimum level. Half of your economic batch quantity into your carrying cost is 1 point. This will be the answer. What is the answer? Very good, very good. Lot of friends are given the answer. The answer will be 2160. The answer will be 2160. You are correct. The answer will be 2160. The answer will be 2160. Now how we will proceed? Next question, very interesting. Reason, one of the previous year question, very tasty. Question number 30, if you are able to understand, 31 you will solve. So we will start 30. So what is the question number 30? See the units, you are selling 5,000. You are suffering a profit or loss. You are having a loss of 10,000. But if you are selling 9,000 units, you will get a profit of 10,000. If you are selling 5,000 units, you are getting a loss of 10,000. But if you are making a 9,000, you are getting 10,000. So what we have to do? Very simple. See, there is a one concept which we have discussed in our group 2 cost accounting and FM class. What we have discussed is your change in profit will be equal to change in contribution. So what is the change in contribution? See, our fixed cost remains same. So your change in profit will be equal to change in contribution. So change in contribution will be 20,000. What is the change in units? Change in units, 9,000 minus 5,000, which will be 4,000. So what will be the contribution per unit? Contribution per unit is 20,000 divided by 4,000. 5 rupees. 20,000 divided by 4,000, which will be what? 5 rupees. Now what is next? Calculate the fixed cost. We can do very easy. At 9,000 unit, what is the total contribution? Total contribution is 9,000 into 5. 45,000. Less, what we have to less profit? 10,000. From contribution, if you less profit, what will be the balance? Fixed cost. The fixed cost will be 35,000. So what is the break-even point? Break-even point in units is equal to 35,005, 7,000 units. That's all. Answer. Very easy. Copy fast. So hope you have completed. Very easy, very see this question and all. If you are not practicing, you will understood. Because there is a very important concept is called change in profit is equal to change in contribution. Change in profit is equal to change in contribution. So now with your permission, see this question number 31 is a ditto question. You can do it as a homework. Question number 31 is a ditto question. You can do it as a homework. Now we will move to question number 32. We will move to question number 32. So hope you are ready. I am here ready for you. So what is question number 32? Location A would result in. So anyone pending, please take a photo. Same thing only, nothing big deal. See the costing problem also we are revising in OPM class means is just for your benefit. You have to score maximum. So hope you take a photo. So what is the question number 32? So what is question number 32? Location A would result in annual fixed cost of 3,50,000. Variable cost is 63. Revenue is 70 rupees. For B, it is 7,70,000 is the fixed cost. 32 is the variable cost. Revenue is 65. Sales volume is 30,000 units. Calculate the BEP for each location and determine which location is more attractive. So we can able to have analysis. So question number what? 32. So we have location A. We have location A, location B. See what is the fixed cost? Location A fixed cost is 3,50,000. Location B fixed cost is what? 7,70,000. What is the contribution per unit? The contribution per unit is, see the first case 70 rupee you are selling. 63 is the variable cost. 70 rupee variable cost is 63. Here 65 is the revenue and the variable cost is what? 32. 65 minus 32. So we will have. So they were asking what is the break-even point? They were asking what is the break-even point? Here 50,000. Now they were asking if sales volume is 30,000, which is location is more attractive. Since location B break-even point is below 30,000 units. See, look here. Here it is only 23. 30,000 units is location B is more attractive. It is location B is more attractive. Why B is more attractive? Because B only we are getting more benefit. See, look here. Here for A, 50,000 unit, then only we will start generate profit. Whereas B, we will get generate profit at what? 23. Because break-even point is the level will tell you when you will get profit. So A, we will get profit only after 50. But B, we will get what? 23. So the comment is what? B is more attractive. So this in your online MCQ, you want to give the suggestions, just to click the correct answer only. No need of making comment. So that is what I was telling. This online exam is 100% room for you. You can get maximum mark. Now going further, this is a EBQ question we have did already, so you can do it as well. It is a EBQ question. You can do it as. Now we will move with question number 34. Now we will move with question number 34. So what is question number 34, my dears? A manager has to decide about the number of machines to be purchased. He has three options: purchasing one machine, purchasing two machine, purchasing three machine. The data given below: annual fixed cost, corresponding range of output, variable cost is 20 per unit, and revenue is what? 50 per unit. Determine the break-even point for each range. So for each level, they were asking break-even level. Are you ready? I am here ready for you. We can start question number 34. See, dears, we will share you this Excel sheet also. If you are not able to copy fast, I will share you the Excel sheet also. Don't worry. So morning class, I will share you. Number of machine. 1, 2, 3. What is the annual fixed cost? Annual fixed cost 10,000, 15,000, 21,000. What is the contribution? Contribution is sales minus variable cost. 50 minus 20. So fixed cost we got, contribution you got. So what will be the break-even point in units? $12,000 divided by 30,000. 12,000 divided by 30,000. Your break-even point is 400, 500, 700. Your break-even point is what? 400, 500, and 700. So you got the answer. Now what is second point? If demand is between 600 to 650, how many machines should the manager purchase? See, if it is, look, very important. Your demand is 600 to 650. See, if 700 is the break-even level for three machines, so three machine you won't go. Why you won't go? Because three machine, if you go, 650 you can fulfill, but you have to suffer a loss. But when you go for two machine, you two machine can fulfill up to 600. So what will happen? The comment I will tell you. Restrict the demand to 600 unit. Restrict the demand to 600 unit and go to machine. The reason is very simple. If you go with three machine, you should get 700 unit, but here the demand is only what? 650. So you should get the profit. So restrict the demand to 600. If you 650 now, you cannot fulfill with the two. Look here, you can get two maximum 600. So restrict the demand with the to 600 and go with two. Very interesting. Copy fast. So hope we have completed. Now we will do 36. We will do 36. A company is planning to manufacture a household cooking range. Decide on the location of plant. There are 3 locations are available. Patna, Ranchi, Dhanbad. The fixed cost of the 3 locations are 30 lakh, 50 lakh and 25 lakh. The variable cost is 300, 200 and 350 respectively. The expected sales price of the cooking ranges from cooking range is 700. So range of annual production, sales volume for which each location is most suitable. Which of the 3 locations is best suitable if it is 18,000? See, this is very interesting question. I will tell you step by step. It is a very interesting concept. You should listen. See, 36 unit. We have what all the machine we have? We have Patna, Ranchi, Dhanbad. What is the fixed cost? 30 lakh, 50 lakh, 25 lakh. So what I do now, I am just doing a small change. I am bringing Dhanbad here. Lower the fixed cost I take first. Lower the fixed cost is Dhanbad. So 25 lakh, 30, 50 lakh. I just changed the order. Now what is the variable cost per unit? The variable cost 300, 200, 350. 350, 300, 200. Now the main concept. I know you are ready. I am just telling the point. See, if range of output now, see this concept you can take any two only. So what will be the base you take? This is the base. Lower fixed cost item 2 first. What is the lower fixed cost item? Dhanbad and partner. So I am just telling there is some principle. In the revision class, I am just telling the principle around. For your example, you have to approach the principle. So principle 1 is what? Select the 2 lower fixed cost item. 2 lower fixed cost item. So what is the 2 lower fixed cost item? Which is Dhanbad and partner. So here indifference level, there is a concept called indifference level. How to find out indifference level? Change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. Change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. So what is the change in fixed cost? Look here. This is the change in fixed cost. 30 lakh minus 25 lakh divided by change in variable cost, which is 350 minus 300. So change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. You will get an answer called 10,000 units. You will get an answer called 10,000 units. So you can write what? Below 10,000 units. Below 10,000 units. See in this Dhanbad and partner, which is lower the fixed cost, the principal, lower the fixed cost, Dhanbad you will incur only 25 lakh. So below 10,000 unit, lower the fixed cost is best. See for you online you have to select the correct answer key, but I am telling the clue also. Below 10,000 units, lower the fixed cost is best, which is what? Dhanbad. So I am giving the step-by-step clue. In the revision session, I am not going in detail with the example and all. We just going with the clue so that you never make mistake for your exam. So below 10,000 unit, lower the fixed cost is best. So Dhanbad. At 10,000, this is the indifference level. At 10,000 unit, both are same. At 10,000 unit, both Dhanbad and partner same. See this you can counter check also. See you can counter check. I will tell you. Look here, 10,000 unit now. Here you have 350 into 10,000. You have 3 lakh 50, 2 lakh 50. You will get 60 lakh. Now look here. You have 300 into 10,000. Now this amount is the variable cost, fixed cost. See, look here, both are same. This is what I am telling. This is we can prove, but we don't want to go. See, this is a rapid revision class. We go to the point. So what is the next point? Next year, about 10,000 and below. This we will identify. So here Dhanbad is best. So next person is what? Partner. Next person is what? Partner. Now look here. We will prepare. So first criteria is what? Select the two lower fixed cost items. So the next principle is what? Select the next two lower fixed cost item, because in this method you cannot approach two at a time. So select the next two item is what? Partner and what is the item? Partner and Ranchi. Partner and Ranchi. So what will come? Indifference level. The same equation. Change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. Everyone look here. What is the change in fixed cost? 50 lakh minus 20,000 units. So we know below the level, below 20,000. See, look here. Here we go 10,000. Below 10,000, lower the fixed cost is best. So below 20,000 unit. Who is the lower the fixed cost? Partner. That is what I am doing here. Already partner about 10,000. Here we will fill. We got now one answer. Below 20,000. So the answer we go here itself. Below 20,000. That below we got from here. 20,000 below, who is best? Lower the fixed cost. So above 20,000 units. Who is next one? That is Ranchi. So the final conclusion is this many years. Final conclusion is above 20,000 Ranchi, above 10,000, below 20 partner, then below 10,000 Dhanbad. Below 10,000 Dhanbad. So for your online MCQ, how to approach the two I have given. The only one equation, change in fixed cost by change in variable cost. So you can take your own time and copy, my dears. So now, hope you have completed. You can take a photo also. Hope you have completed. You can take a photo also. I will share you the material also. I will share you the material. So now we will go with, see this question number 35 ditto question. Number only changing. You can do it as a homework. It is a ditto question. Even number are only changing. You can do it as a homework. It is a ditto question. Number only changing. You can do it as a homework. You can do it as a homework. Now we will go for another interesting topic, that is standard time computation. Very easy, you should understood. If you listen very well, you will understand. See how to take standard time. See in your intermediate group 1 and all, you have learned standard time. How? For fixing the incentive. Incentive will be fixed on the basis of standard time. So standard time is very relevant for all the job, because your incentive will be fixed, labor, employee performance is fixed, everything measured through standard time. So let us know, first thing we have to find out the observed time. What is the observed time? Observed time is the time the employee is on the job. Observed time is the time employees on the job. How you will identify employees on the job? That is total time. There will be some time employees not on the job at the time factory. That will be called ideal time. So observed time equal to total time minus ideal time. Observed time equal to total time minus ideal time. So you will get observed time. Now what we have to do next? See this observed time. The observing what you are doing. See, let me tell you one point. A company, there are two employees are there. Mr. A, Mr. B. Mr. A is very efficient. Mr. B is inefficient. So if you are observing A performance, you will fix a high standard. If you are observing B, because standard time will be fixed by analyzing the existing performance. Standard time will be fixed by analyzing the existing performance. So if you analyze Mr. A, your target will be very above. If you analyze B, the target will be very below. So what you have to do? You have to adjust with the performance level. That will be called normal or basic time. Normal or basic time, which will be called observed time into performance rating. That is, employee to employee performance will be analyzed. So your observed time into performance rate. Then what is last? The last will be standard time. Standard time, the logic is very easy. See, you cannot work always job. So you should get some rest and allowance. So this rest and allowance two-way as a percentage on normal time. As a percentage of normal time. In such a case, your standard time will be your normal time plus allowance. Criteria B as a percentage on standard time. So you have to go reverse calculation. Your standard time will be normal time divided by 1 minus allowance. So situation to situation, this allowance computation will be changed. If it is on normal time, plus will come. Otherwise, the same profit thing, 1 minus. So take a copy. We will start the problem. All the problem we can see. Please make a copy. We can start the problem. All the problem we can start. So we will start. So we will start the problem. Are you ready? So first question, the time study of a machinery operation. So we will start with second one. An 8-hour work measured in a plant reveal the following. Unit produced 320, or we'll start with 39. So please start 39. Please start 39. How we will start 39? Calculate the standard production per shift of 8 hours. The following data is given. Observed time 5 unit, rating factor 120%, total allowance 33.33% of normal time. So just listen. So in this question, already observed time is given. Already observed time is given. We will do step by step. What is the observed time? Observed time is called 5 minutes. After observed time, what is the next step? Normal or basic time. Normal or basic time, which is equal to observed time into performance rating. Your observed time is 5 minutes. What is the performance rating? 120%, which will be 6 minutes. Now, what is the standard time? Normal plus allowance. Very good, Santosh. Normally 6 minutes plus allowance. Allowance is 33.33%, which will be 8 minutes. Now, what is the standard production? Very easy. Everyone listen. Standard production is equal to, you have 8 hours. You have time of what? 8 hours. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 8 hours into 60 minutes, you will get total minutes. Divide by 8 minutes, you will get 60 units. So 8 hours into 60. What is a 60? The 60 means minutes in a hour. So 8 hours into 60 minutes, 480 minutes, divided by 8, you will get what? 60. You can take a photo. Very easily you can complete. You can take a photo. Very easily you can complete. Okay. So what is next? Next we will go for question number 38. Next we will go for question number 38. What is question number 38? An 8-hour work is measured in a plant reveal the following. Unit produced 320 numbers. Ideal time 50%. Performance rating 120. 11. So here there is an ideal time also. Determine the standard time per unit produced. So what is the total time? Total time. Eight-hour or 480 minutes. 8-hour or 480 minutes. What is the observed time? 480 minutes minus 15% is the ideal. What will come, my dears? 480 minus 15%, 408 minutes. What is the observed time per unit? 408 minutes is for how many units? You have done an actual production of 320 units. So what will be the per unit, my dears? What will be the per unit? 1.275 minutes. So what is the normal or basic time? Normal or basic time equal to 1275 into performance rating, where the performance rating is what? 120 minutes. So what is the answer? 1.53 minutes. Then finally, standard time. .53 plus the allowance. See, in this all the question they tell allowance is 12% of normal time. Here the question specifically tell the percentage. So what will be the answer? Come on. 1.7136 minute per unit. So this is the basic problem. Now we gonna do advanced problem. This is the basic problem. Now we gonna do advanced problem. Are you ready? So this is the basic problem. Now we gonna do what? Advanced problem. Essay model problem. Question number 40. Now we gonna do advanced problem. Question number 40. Calculate the standard time per article produced from the following data of sampling. Total number of observation, number of working observation, number of units in a 100 hour, manual, proportion of machine, observed rating, total allowance. So we will start. First, what we will do now? What is the ideal observation? What is the ideal observation? The ideal observation equal to 400 out of 2500 into 100. What is the percentage? 400 out of 2500 into 100. What is the percentage? 16%. What is the total time? 100 hours. Total time is 100 hours. So what will be the observed time? 100 minus 16, which will be 84 hours. What will be the normal or basic time? Normal or basic time will be before that, in this question, there is a small concept. Manual or machine time, there is a small concept. So this observed time will be split into two parts. This observed time will be split into two parts. How this will be split into? 2/3 will be the labor. So what is our? See, this performance rating, allowance, everything will come labor. Machine, now everything will be same. In your house, there is a 2 fan, both will perform same level. But in your machine, 2 servant, will not perform the same level. That is the difference. So 84 into 2/3, what will come? 56 hours. 1/3 is machine, which is 28 hours. So the performance elements, everything will come only for labor time. So what will be the normal or basic time of manual? 56 into the performance rating is what? 12%. 115%. What will come? 56 into 115%. What is the answer? 64.4 hours. Now, what is the standard time? $64.4 plus allowance. What is the allowance? Allowance is 12%. So 64.4 plus 12%, what will come? 72.12 hours. Now, what is the total standard time? Listen now, we are coming to the end now. Total standard time is equal to manual plus machine. Manual plus machine. So 72.12 plus 28, 100.12 hours. 100.12 hours, or in minute now what will come? 6006 minute. If it minutes now what will come? If it minutes now 6007 minutes. So what is the final answer? Standard time per unit. So if you look the question, you have how many output? The output we have is 6000. So 6007 divided by 6000 unit. The answer will come 1 minutes per unit. The answer is what? 1 minutes per unit. Copy fast. The answer will come 1 minutes per unit. The answer will come 1 minutes per unit. How interesting. 6007 minute divided by 6000 unit. 1 minute per unit. So very interesting. This is your study material question. So in this rapid revision class, we are doing maximum number of your study material question. In this rapid revision session, we are doing maximum question of your study material question. So very easy, you can approach very fast. So going next step, question number 41, 42, both are similar question, number only changing. You can do it as a homework. Both are similar question, number only changing. You can do it as a homework. See, in the study time, we have learned, look here, standard time, one more equation. as a percentage of standard. There we are not at any problem. So we will do a problem that this question. This question is silent. See, all the other questions they were telling allowance as a percentage of normal time. So question number 37. What is 37? The time steady operated cyclical time 8789. The analyst observed 90%. Firm uses 0.5 as a fraction. So the fraction, look here, in this formula only we are doing in fraction. So if they said fraction, we can do the second formula. So first we have to find out average observed time. Average observed time. What is the average observed time? 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 by 4. 8 minutes. What is the normal or basic time? Normal or basic time equal to 8 minutes into performance rating, where the performance rating is what? 90%. 7.2 minutes. So what is the standard time? We told the second method. So 7.2 divided by 1 minus fraction, which is 0.15. What will be the answer, my dears? 8.47 minutes per unit. 8.47 minutes per unit. That's it. So, one area we left here. Productivity. You can do very fast, very easy only. 2 minutes we'll finish this topic. So what is productivity? Number of operators, number of working time, number of wages, number of details are given. First they were asking what is the percentage of absenteeism. So we will start 22. First they were asking percentage of absenteeism. So how to find out percentage of absenteeism? Number of man days lost due to absenteeism. Number of man days lost due to absenteeism, 29 days. What is the total man days? Total man days. We have 20 operators, 26 days. What is the answer, my dears? 20 into 26, 520 days. So what is the percentage of absenteeism? 29 divided by 520 into 100, which will be 5.57%. Next step, efficiency of utilization. What is the efficiency of utilization? We have to identify our two things. First, we have to identify our total time. What is the total time? See, we have 20 into 26 into 8 hours. 20 operators, 8 hours, 26 days. Yes or no? So 20 into 26 into 8 hours, 4160. Our total time is what? 4160. Now what we have to do? So what next things what we have to find out? Help me. For efficiency of utilization, what we do next? We have to find out now standard time for actual production. Standard time for actual production. What is the standard time? Unit produced is 230. Standard time is 8 hours. So 30 units into 8 hours. 230 units into 8 hours. What is the answer? See, in the regular class, I hope you have already learned the equation. So we are not going to the equation area. We are directly going to the formula. So of efficiency of utilization will be what? 1840 divided by 4160 into 100. This will be the percentage. Now, last, productive efficiency. Productive efficiency now, your actual time divided by your standard time. So how to find out actual time? Our total time equal to 4160 less absenteeism, which is 29 into 8. What will come? 232. What is next? Ideal time. Ideal time means they are not working. So ideal time is what? Ideal is equal to 280 man hours. So what you will get? 3648. So this formula we have slightly done ulta. It is standard time divided by actual time. What is the standard time? 1840. Your actual time is 3648 into 100. Some of the friends already got the answer. Dear friends, just a formula application only. For the limited time, we are not going into the detail of formula. Now answer is almost over. Overall productivity in terms of manpower. Overall productivity. What is the overall productivity? First is standard. Standard 300 unit out of 20 operators. So what will come? 300 by 20, 50. What is the actual? Actual production is only what? 230. Actual production is only what? 230. So 230 out of 20. So we can say what? Productivity reduced. Sometimes in your online MTP, they will ask such kind of question. So you can say productivity reduces by 15 minus 11.5 divided by 15 into 100, which is 23.3 0.33%. .33%. See, now these two questions are same model. You can do it as a homework. Now, I will give you this, you have to practice. See, I will give a 10 minutes break. Some friends want to go for break prior and all. So I will give a strategic break. You can take break. Others can try to do 25. So there will be break. Anyway, we started by 5:30. So we will give a small break right now. So now the break time will be now. Break time. We'll start by, now we have to start very, very important area. Today material yet to start. So we will start by 6:40 p.m. We'll start by 6:40 p.m. So this is not full break. 5 minutes you have to do 25th question. 25th question your study material question or 11 question for your online MTP pattern. So 25th question you have to do. Solve question number 25 also. So we will start by 6:40 with a discussing the answer for 25 and a new area we will start. Hope you are ready. I am also ready for you. Come on, start. So what is the answer for question number 25th? Hours per day is 8 hours. Working days is 25 days. Number of operators is 1. Machine time, operator time, total time. So first, what is the total hours? So what is the total hours? 8 into 25 into 1. 200 hours. So first they are asking plant at 75% efficiency. $150 hours. Operator at 100%. Output per month. $150 into 60 minutes. You will get total minutes available. Divide by your machine time is 22. Operator's time is 8. So 22 plus 8. Where you will get 300 units. Yes or no? Is it correct or not? Dears, what is next? If productivity increased by 10%, productivity of what? Productivity of machine increased by 10%. So what is the revised machine time? This everyone should understand. Productivity increase, it's good. Your time will reduce. So earlier it was 22 minutes into 100 by 110, which is equal to. So productivity decrease now we have to multiply. Increase now we have to divide. So the time will be what? 20 minutes. Revised machine time is what? 20 minutes. So what is the total time? 20 minutes plus 8 minutes. We will have 28 minutes. So what is the revised output? We assume the time doesn't changes. Capacity remains same. What is the output, my dears? 321 units. Output is 321 units. Last, if operator efficiency reduced by 20%. So what is the revised operating cost? We have 8 minutes. Which will be what? 8 into 110 by 100. What will be the time? 8.8 minutes. So what will be the revised output? It is not 10,
Sir,
it is 20. It is 20. It's typing error. It is 20. So we have to make 9.6 minutes. It is 20. I have wrongly typed as 10. It is 20. So what is the answer, my dears? Tell me. What is the answer? Final answer. 284 units. 284 units. Take your own time and copy, my dears. Take your own time and copy. So we have completed this area. So we will move with new material. See, we will take 150. The question is silent on 200. So we will take 150. So we will start the new topic. Are you ready? So now we will start with another topic, sequencing. We will start with another topic, sequencing. Very interesting area. See, what is the sequencing all about? Here it tells the order of the machine. Here it tells the order of the machine. So the concept of sequencing tells that if you follow this order, your total time for completion of the entire job will be the minimum. So there is a small principle is there. There is a small principle is there. So we are starting for that. You have job 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 is there. Machine A, B is there. So what we have to do now? We are started discussing the concept for you. First, we have to get the sequence. So I will just copy the question into this page for your better understanding. So job machine A, machine B. Okay. So the sequence we are discussing, very interesting. See how the sequence we will get it now. First, you have to identify this machine A and machine B column. In this machine A and machine B, you have to identify. In this machine A and machine B, you have to identify the lower item. Which is the lower item? See, among these all, lower item is 1 hour, which is machine B. So A is in your right side, A is in your left side, B is in your right side. So if the item is coming in B, you will put it in the left side, right side. If item is coming in A, you will put it in right side. So it is 1 which belongs to job 6. The sequence you have to write in your right hand side, which you have to put it as 6. Now, so the 6 is over now. So I just mark it because we should not get double. Now next lower number is coming where you have to look both A column and B column. See, if you look, 2 is the lower one. This 2 is coming machine A. Machine A is right side or left side? Machine B is in right side now. Machine A will come what? Left side. So this belongs to 3. So this 3 you have to write in your left side. See how interesting. Now this 2 over, this thing over. Next is what? Machine B, this 3. This 3 belongs to what? Job 1. So I will go very slow. This will be coming in your YouTube also. So this B is in your right side. So you have to put right side, which is 1. Now what is next? 4. This 4 is coming for 2. 4 is coming for 2, which is coming in your right hand side. Now we have one more 4 is there. One more 4 is here. So that 4 is will come in your left hand side, which belongs to 5. How interesting. Now only one left, which is for what? 4. So this will be the sequence. So one, you have to get your sequence. Balance everything is easy. The sequence only very important. So how you have to take the sequence? Left side, right side, left side, right side. So if anyone having any doubt, I will do the next question also very slow, so you will understand. For the time management purpose, I won't repeat once again because it is a revision class. Most of you might have been understood. We will share the video also. So what I will do the next question also, I will go very slow, so you will get more clarity. So we will start the answer now. So what we will do now, you have to write this in job order. 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 6. So you have machine A. You have machine B. In time, out time. In time, out time. So we will start. What is the in time? See, this is job 3. Job 3, it is start. Start always will be 0. So you can make here start time. You can write here also end time. So the job, how many hours? 2 hours. So it will finish by 2. You start. Always starting will be 0. Always starting will be 0. So if you read the question very well, they were saying you are processing in the order of AB. What is the meaning of that? In the order of AB, the meaning is that first we want to complete A, then we have to start B. First we have to complete A, then we have to start B. So A is complete 2. So after completing A only we have to start. So here 0 will not come, 2 will come. What is the B time? B time is 6A. So 2 plus 6A, it will come 8. Now A finished by what? 2. So since A finished by 2, you can start by 2. What is this job? Job 2. Job 2, A the time is 4, so 6 will come. Now, the 6 you can put, but the problem is what? Machine B is getting over by 8. Whichever is late. See, you cannot put here 6. Why you cannot put 6? Because this project or the first one is finished only by 8 hours. The first one is only finished by 8 hours. So you have to start only by 8. So what is next? 8 is over. So next the time. This is for 2. So 2, it will take another 8. So it will be 16. Here it is finished by 6. 4 it is 5, 11. Here we have 16. So 4, if you have 16, 22. It is 11. Now what will come next? For 5, it is 9. So 11 plus 9, it will be 20. So this is still finished by what? 22. So you cannot give 20. Next will come what? This is 5. 5 it come 2. So 26. Here you start by 20. Job 1. Look, very interesting. Very, very interesting. 26. See this 26. See here 8 we brought here. 16 we brought here. 22 we brought here. But 26 you cannot brought here. The reason is what? In the order of AB, this is completed by 27. So you have to start with 27. So 1, what will be the time? 30. Here we allow 27. 6, 34. Here also 34. So it will be 1. This will be 35. 35. So the value, the final time, the value of t will be 36 hours. See, any other combination if you take, it will take either 36 or above 36. It will take either 36 or above 36. So take your own time and copy, my dears. Take your own time and copy, my dears. So hope you are finished. So some of the friends will have small doubt. So when I discuss the next question, you will understand very well. So for the benefit, I will discuss the next question very slowly. So you will get very clarity. So we will go with next question. Question number 2. So everyone listen here. How the order I will tell you. I will write the sequence here. So listen now. See, we have to look into this. If the item is coming C2, C2 is this. You have to put the job or the machine in the right hand side. If the hour is coming in C1, you have to put in the left hand side. So the first concept is what? Understand the sequence. So here, out of this entire column, you should identify the lower one. Here we have 8, 5, 6, 3. The lower one you have to understand. See, among all these, the lower one is 3, which is M2. So this 3 is belongs to C2. C2 is in right hand side. C1 is in left hand side. That you have to make assumption. So that is called M2. So you have to write in your right hand side M2. So M2 is over. Now you have to identify the rest item. Rest item, the lower cost is coming, this 4, which is belongs to 7. This 4 is coming in your left hand side. So you have to put here M7. So 3 over, 4 over. Next we have to go for next lower. This is the next lower. If you look here, it is 5, which is M1, which is also coming with say your right hand side. So M1. See, look here, how interesting. Now, what is the next item? Next to 5 is over. 6, here it is M6 is 6. 6 also coming in this side. So you have to write M6. How interesting. Now we have to move to next. 7. 7 is coming where? That too also this side. That is your right hand side, which is M3. Now what is the next item? Next is 8, which is this M5. Then finally M4. So what is the sequence? Some of the friends already got the answer. So the sequence will be M7, M4, M5, M3, M6, M1, M2. Some of the friends already understood. So if anyone having doubt, please ask. Because the second time now you will be very clear. So what will be the machine? We have to make it M7, M4, M5, M3, M6, M1, M2. The same order we have to make it. What is the same order? We have to make it for start time and time, the same. It will be start with 0. So M7, it is, say first thing, it is 4. So if it is n by 4, we have to start by 4. So what is M7? The time 11. Start by 4, 11. Here if it is n by 4, so M4, which is 11, 15. Here you have to start 15 only, which is 12. Some of the friends are already giving the answers. So we will have 15, which is M5. M5, 10. So 15 plus 10, you will have 25. The higher one is 27. So M5, 8. So you will have 35. So M3, 10. So 35. You will have 35. So M3, 7, 42. 35, 14, which will have 49. 49, 55. 49, 57. See, M2, 6. Some of the friends already got the answer. Congratulations. So for your exam, if at all they are asking this final calculation only, they will ask. They will ask either sequence. Sequence will be the one question. Final answer will be the another question. Sequence will be the one question. Final answer will be the another question. Copy fast. Sequence will be the one question. Final answer will be the another question. Copy fast. Question number 3. Try to read yourself and solve yourself one of the previous year question. One of the previous year question. Just try yourself. Question number 3. Once again. So you hope you have already completed. See, this will come. These both are independent. This will be one. Don't get confused. See, don't get confused. This 4 only will come. This is separate. B is separate, A is separate. The only point is what? After A, you can go to B. That's the only concept. So, hope you have completed. So, question number 3. Some of the friends already finished it. The answer is 540. So, I'm not giving separate thing. You can do it as a homework. Some of the friends already completed. The answer is 540. Now we will go for another interesting area, simulation. Question number, this whoever not finished, you can do it as a hopper. So we'll go for another interesting area called as simulation. Very easy. See, simulation concept, we have two steps. First step is what? We have to find out the statement of range. Simulation, we have two steps. First step is what? We have to find out statement of range. Now, from statement of range, we have to take data. Any question is easy. So let us start few questions. You will get more clarity. A confectionery sell confectionery item. Past data demand per week kilogram with frequency is given below. So they started with a statement of range. We should have probability. If probability is not there, you have to take from the frequency. So let us see how it will start. The demand is given 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is the frequency? Frequency, we have 2, 11, 8, 21, 5, 3. Now, the main thing for any simulation, first step we have to do is called range statement. First step what we have to do is called range statement. For that, this frequency we have to convert into probability. For that, the frequency we have to convert into probability. See, look here. 0.04. This has to be done for. This probability, mostly this probability will be given in the question. If probability is not given, from the frequency we have to take. So if you got the probability, the next step we have to do is called cumulative probability. So how to take cumulative probability? This plus this. The same thing will come. Now from the cumulative probability, we have to state range. See, what is the range? Range is very simple. We are following 2-digit range, that is 0 to 99 number. See, we have to allocate 0 to 99 number based on the probability. So 0.4 now we have to allocate 4 number. 22 now we have to allocate 22 number. 16 now we have to allocate 16 number. So there will be an order will be there. We will start with 0. So we have to start 4 numbers. So 1 we have to minus 3. Next 3 is over. So we have to start with 4. Here we have 26. Just to 1 reduce 25. Now 25 is over. Next will come 26. What is here? 42. Just to 1 reduce 40. Next we have 42. What is here? 84. Just to 1 reduce 83. Now 43, 84 to 93. 94 to 90. This is that. So this range, once you understood, balance everything is easy. They were asking, generate demand for 10 weeks. So statement of demand for 10 week. Statement of demand for 10 week. So what we will start? First we will start with week. 10 week. So we have to make it for 10 week. The question, they will be given random number. This random number only we have to match. Once you listen, you will get very clarity. I know you are ready. We will start. So what is the random number? See, this random number is 35, 52, 13, 90, 23, 73, 34, 57, 35, 83. See, for confusion, they have given 20 numbers. They were 15 number. They were asking only for 10 weeks. Since they were asking only for 10 weeks, we can end the random number here. If suppose if the question is silent, we can take the rest of the random number also. But in this question, they are asking only 10. So now what is the demand? Everyone listen here. You will realize this concept is very, very easy. Our first random number is 35. See, look here. 35 is coming under which range? 35 is coming 26 to 41. 35 is coming 26 to 41. 26 to 41, the corresponding demand is what? 10. So it will be 10. Next 52. 52 is coming under which range? 52 is coming under range of 42 to 83. This 42 to 83, the demand is what? 50. Now we have 13. What is the 13? 13 is coming 4 to 25, but the demand is 5. Now 90. 90 is coming 90, 84 to 93, which is 20. 23 is coming where? Next 5. 73 is coming for what? 50. 34, what will come? 34 will come 10. Then 50 will come 50. See, if you have to take the total. You will get total as 120. You will get total as 120. They were asking what? Average demand per week. Average demand per week equal to 120 divided by 10, which will be 12 units. Finished. That's all. Now we will go little advanced. So any question, the random statement we should get. Now we will go for little advanced. Question number 5. We will go for little advanced. See here the receipt also given, payment also given. So what we have to do? We have to do first. Range statement for weekly receipts. So how we will do? Weekly receipts. $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, $12,000. See this question, they have already given probability. In this question, they have given already probability 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.1. The total of probability is 1. cumulative. Range 0 to 90, 20 to 49, 50 to 89, 90 to 99. Weekly random statement for weekly payments. So 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000. Probability 0.3, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1. 0 to 29, 30 to 39. 0 to 29, 30 to 69, 70 to 99, 70 to 89, 90 to 90. So the question is what? The question is asking, using the following random number, the payment and receipt, we have opening balance is given. We have to estimate closing balance. Very easy. So what is the statement? Statement of closing balance. How we will start? The question is already given opening balance. What is the opening balance? 8,000. First we have to do random number for receipt. What is the random number for receipt? 3, 91, 38, 55. So what will be the receipt? We have to first to find out random number for receipts, then receipts. Next, random number for payment. What is the random number for payment? 60, 96, 30, 32. So what will be the payment? Then you can find out the closing balance. Everyone, please listen. Everyone, please listen. You will get now very easily. Random number receipts we have. So you have to look into the receipts column. See, the first random number is 3. So 3 is coming under which level? This level. The receipt will be corresponding is 3,000. Next, random number 61. 60 number 1 is coming 30 to 69, which will have 6,000. So what will be the closing balance? Your opening balance is 1 plus receipts minus your payments. So your closing balance will be what? opening balance plus receipts minus payments. Opening balance plus receipts minus payments. So what is the opening balance? 8 plus receipts minus payments. We will have 5,000. So 8,000 plus 3, you will get 11. 11 minus 6, you will get what? 5,000. So what is your closing? That will be the next week opening. What is your closing? That will be your next week opening. Yes or no? So what will be the opening? We have Hi dears, can you hear me? Okay, we were faced a small technical error that we have rectified. Okay, so we have 12,000. Now you have 96,000 here. You have 96. 96 belongs to 10,000. So tell me what will be the closing balance? Same format. Opening plus receipt. We will have 7,000. We will have 7,000. Are you clear? Yes or no? Are you clear? The 38 now we have to look here. We have 6,000. 38 now we have 5,000. Here 30 now we have 6,000. So what will be the amount? We just want to scroll down. That's all. So here it will be the same number. 55 now what will come? 7,000. 32 now what will come? 6,000. Like that you have to do. So now you should understood. So I am not going further calculation. You can do it as a homework. I am not doing the further calculation. So this is for week. So I am not doing further calculation. You can do it as a homework. So what is the estimated balance? The question answer I will tell you. Estimated balance at the end of 12 week. It is 3,000 negative. Next they were asking average balance. I am giving the answer 45,000 divided by 12. 3750. Then highest, this kind of will come for your online MTP. They will ask one by one question. So highest weekly balance is what? Second and fourth week. Some of the friends already got the answer. But for other purpose, I am giving it as a homework. I am giving the final answer for your reference. I am giving you the final answer for your reference. Come on fast. Now, what we will do now? We will go with question number 6. Very easy. Lot of previous year question also there. An automobile production line turns out to be 100 cars a day. The deviation occur many reasons. The production given below. So the probability is given. They tell the space is only 105 cars. Using the following random number, what will be the average cars waiting to be shipped? And what is the average number of empty cars? I know you are ready. I am also ready for you. So first what we have to do, statement of range. Statement of range. Production per day. 95, 96, 97, 98. This go up to 105. So production is over. What is the next? Probability. 0.03, 0.05, 0.07, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.15, 0.1, 0.07, 0.05, 0.03. See, the total of the probability has to be 1. Total of the probability has to be 1. So next take cumulative. We get the cumulative. Now we have to do the range. So 0 to 2, 3 to 7, 8 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 40, 25 to 39. 40 to 59, 60 to 74, 75 to 84, 85 to 91, 92 to 96, 97 to 90. It's very easy. I am not even want to do, but I will do. Statement of waiting and empty. I'll give the clue, you can do yourself. Statement of waiting and empty. So first we can do random number. First we can do random number. What is a random number? 20, 63, 46, 16, 45, 41, 44, 66, 87, 26. Okay, that is enough. We just want to understand that. So first we have to do what is a production. See, the capacity is what they tell very well, 101. The capacity is what? 101. So we have production 20. So if we have production of 20, what will be the scenario? If we have production of 20, we have to look into here. 20 is coming between these, so production will be 98. 63 is coming here, so 101. 43 is coming here, 100. 16 now, it will be 98. So production we have to keep on taking. 45 now, 100. 41 also 100, 44 also. 66 is what? 101. 87 is what? 103. 26 is what? 99. 70, 80 is what? 102. Now listen here. We have to get two things. Empty and weight. See, first you should understand when the empty will come, when the waiting will come. See, our capacity is 101. So empty will come if you have more. Empty will come if your production is less. So if you look here, you have capacity 101, your production is 98. So that means 3 will be empty. Here there is no empty. Here there will be 1 empty. Sir, how it will be 1 empty? Your capacity is 101. Your production is only 100. So what will be the empty? Here you have 101, 98. The empty will be what? 3. Here you will have 1, 1, 1. See, here you will have 0. See, when it here, your production is 101. But this thing is 103. That means there will be waiting 2. Here again empty 2. Here there is waiting 1. So like that we have to. So I am not done all the numbers. 78 up to only we did. If you want, I will do for rest of the item also. We have 40, 29, 92, 21. So 40 will come which level? 40 is now 100. 29 na 99. 92 na 104. Again 21 na 98. So here you will have 1. Here you will have 2. Here you will have 3. Here you will have 3. So you can take the total. Some of the friends started giving the final answer. So here you will have 18. Here it is 6. So what is the average? 18 divided by 15 item. 1.2. Here you will have 0.2. We have. See how interesting. So we have complete. This is the only thing. Very easy we have. So that's all we have completed. So now We have two more questions is there. Your study material, you can do it as a homework. We have two more questions is there. Your study material is there. We can do it as a homework. So our target for the day is only up to, our target for the day only up to simulation. So we have achieved. Since we have achieved it, we will wind up the session. We will wind up the session. So I have given the material for tomorrow morning also. I have given the material for tomorrow morning also. So we will meet tomorrow morning. We will meet tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, timing I will update in the group. Timing mostly it will be 6:30. I will update in the morning. So if any doubt, you can ask. So hope your studies are going well. Wish you all the best. God bless you. So we are winding up the session. Since we are started early, we are winding up also early. Since we are started early, we are winding up also early. See, we have completed almost now 40% of your operational management. The first day itself, 40% we have completed. Okay. So first day itself, we have completed 40%. So what I will do now, I will share the Excel sheet now itself. See, everything is not there in the Excel sheet. Some of them are in the journal. Journal, I am not having that. So I will share the Excel sheet now itself. So wish you all the best. God bless you, my dears. Tomorrow morning timing, I will share it. Okay. Mostly it will be 6:30. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. So any doubt, you can unmute and ask us. If you want to see anything, you can unmute and ask us. So very happy to meet you all. Tomorrow first we will complete the rest of the session. Okay. So looks no other doubt. So happy to meet you all.
Sir, any chances of exams getting postponed, sir, or it will happen? It's very tension, sir.
I understood it, but study as per this thing. See, they will announce if any changes by the end of the week. So they will announce if any changes by the end of the week. But our commitment is to complete on time. So please complete on time. Because now most students are taken as 100-page day. So institute want to make the arrangement. So if they are able to make the arrangement, they will go as per the schedule. If any deficiencies there, they will give you. But what I am telling now, if anything is postponing, take it as an excess. Study positively, study as per your timetable. Okay. Don't think that institute will postpone and accordingly you can well. No. You study properly. Okay, my dear. So thank you, thank you. So looks no other doubt. We will wind up the day. Wish you all the best. God bless you.
Sir, costing and FM MCQ, you told like you will be sharing on Sunday, sir. Last Sunday, MCQ.
I was busy with the final classes. I will share you. Okay, final class full I will share. MCQ சுத்தமா நான் ஷேர் பண்ணலையா?
ஆமாம் சார், காஸ்டிங் எஃப்எம்க்கு நீங்க சண்டே ஷேர் பண்றேன், நீங்க எல்லா பிடிஎஃப் போட்டுட்டு நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் நீங்க.
I will share. Okay.
Okay sir, thank you sir.
நான் ஃபைனல் கொடுத்திருக்கேன், இந்த போட்ல எனக்கு இது ஸ்வாட். Thank you, thank you. So I will give you in the Sunday or next Sunday before. Let us see what institute is making, because back-to-back classes, office work, we are also tired. Because MCQ purpose, we have to take more effort. You can also get downloaded from your user-ready password. We are doing extra benefit for you. So we will help you. Okay, we will make it once. This Sunday, I think I am having classes. For next Sunday, I will share. Don't worry. With the answer, I will share.